Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to make a payment on your Sam's Club credit card. If you're looking to easily manage your credit card payments, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire process to ensure you can make your payment quickly and securely. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Sam's Club credit card payment portal. First, you'll need to access the Sam's Club credit card payment website. Open your browser and visit the official Sam's Club credit card payment portal at https://samsclub.syf.com. This will take you to the login page where you can begin your payment process. Step 2. Log in to your account. Once you're on the login page, enter your user ID and password. These are the credentials you created when you signed up for your Sam's Club credit card. If you haven't registered yet, click on the Register for Online Access link and follow the instructions to create your account. Step 3. Navigate to the payment section. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Sam's Club credit card dashboard. From here, locate and click on the Make a Payment option. This section will allow you to proceed with paying your balance. Step 4. Choose your payment amount. Next, you'll be asked to select how much you'd like to pay. You can choose from several options. Minimum payment. This is the least amount you can pay to keep your account in good standing. Current balance. Pay the full balance due on your account. Custom payment. Enter a specific amount you wish to pay. Select the option that works best for you and double-check the amount before moving forward. Step 5. Choose your payment method. Now, it's time to select your payment method. Sam's Club credit card payments can be made through bank account, ACH payment. Enter your bank account details for a direct transfer. Debit credit card. Link a debit or credit card to make the payment. Electronic check. If you prefer, you can use an e-check. Choose your preferred method and ensure your payment details are correct. Step 6. Review your payment information. Before submitting, take a moment to review all the details of your payment. Verify that the payment amount, payment method, and bank details, if applicable, are accurate. If everything looks good, proceed to the next step. Step 7. Submit your payment. Once you've confirmed all the details, click the Submit Payment button. A confirmation page will appear, showing that your payment has been successfully processed. You may also receive a confirmation email for your records. Step 8. Log out. Optional. For your security, don't forget to log out of your Sam's Club credit card account once you've completed your payment. This will help protect your personal information. Conclusion. That's it. You've successfully made a payment on your Sam's Club credit card. Remember, keeping track of your payments is essential for maintaining a healthy credit score and avoiding late fees. If you have any further questions or run into issues, check out the customer support section on the Sam's Club website. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Happy shopping!